Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy low bun hairstyle in less than 3 minutes. To start, I've taken some hair padding and I've just got this from cutting up a hair donut, and we're just going to shape this into a small round circle shape. Next we're going to divide the hair roughly in half and clip each side out of the way. Then all we're going to do is take that hair padding and secure it to the nape of the neck in the middle using bobby pins all around the outside. Release those sections from the clips, and then working on the right hand side we're going to take that whole section and twist it towards the head, and then just place this on top of the bun padding and pin it along that twist with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do exactly the same on the left hand side, so take all of the hair, twist it towards the head, and we're going to bring it up and over that previous section, and again pin it along that twist using a few bobby pins. Apply some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're just going to loosen everything up by pinching and pulling the hair at the crown area. Next we're going to pinch and pull at both of those twists just to make it look a little bit more messy. Now taking the ends on the right hand side, we're just going to twist these a little bit more and then bring them underneath the padding and secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Again, pinch and pull at that twist so it matches the rest of the hair. If you've got any tail ends left over, wrap these around a bobby pin and then just tuck them underneath that bun. And then we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side, so take the ends, give them a twist, bring them underneath the padding and pin to the head. And then just loosen everything up by pinching and pulling at that twist. And it really is as simple as that. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.